Hello, I am Mia. Welcome to SpeakAlong English. If you want to speak English more confidently, more naturally, and without fear, you are in the right place. Today, we begin something special, a 5-day English shadowing challenge. This is a 5-day challenge. For the next 5 days, every day you will practice with 100 simple, encouraging English sentences. If you miss a word, keep going. Confidence grows through flow, not control. Let's begin. I am learning English every day. I am learning English every day. I am proud of myself for trying. I am proud of myself for trying. Every small step matters. Every small step matters. I can improve with practice. I can improve with practice. It is okay to make mistakes. It is okay to make mistakes. Mistakes help me learn. Mistakes help me learn. I am becoming more confident. I am becoming more confident. I believe in my progress. I believe in my progress. I am not afraid to speak. I am not afraid to speak. My English is getting better. My English is getting better. I learned something new today. I learned something new today. I speak English with courage. I speak English with courage. I am patient with myself. I am patient with myself. I give myself time to grow. I give myself time to grow. Practice makes me stronger. Practice makes me stronger. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. I speak slowly and clearly. I speak slowly and clearly. I understand more each day. I understand more each day. I trust my learning process. I trust my learning process. I keep going, even when it is hard. I keep going, even when it is hard. I am doing my best today. I am doing my best today. My voice deserves to be heard. My voice deserves to be heard. I speak with confidence. I speak with confidence. I am calm when I speak English. I am calm when I speak English. I learn at my own pace. I learn at my own pace. I am focused and relaxed. I am focused and relaxed. I speak English without fear. I speak English without fear. I improve step by step. I improve step by step. I am happy to practice today. I am happy to practice today. I do not give up. I do not give up. English is becoming easier for me. English is becoming easier for me. I enjoy speaking out loud. I enjoy speaking out loud. I am brave when I speak. I am brave when I speak. I stay positive while learning. I stay positive while learning. I learn from every sentence. I learn from every sentence. I speak English with hope. I speak English with hope. I am confident in my ability. I am confident in my ability. I allow myself to learn slowly. I allow myself to learn slowly. I am building a good habit. I am building a good habit. I feel good about my progress. I feel good about my progress. I show up for myself today. I show up for myself today. I practice even for a few minutes. I practice even for a few minutes. My effort is important. My effort is important. I speak English more every day. I speak English more every day. I am relaxed and focused. I am relaxed and focused. I enjoy the sound of English. I enjoy the sound of English. I am learning naturally. I am learning naturally. I am proud of my effort. I am proud of my effort. I speak with a clear voice. I speak with a clear voice. I feel confident when I practice. I feel confident when I practice. I am growing every day. I am growing every day. I choose progress over perfection. I choose progress over perfection. I am kind to myself. I am kind to myself. I speak English with ease. I speak English with ease. I trust myself. I trust myself. I am learning something valuable. I am learning something valuable. I feel more confident now. I feel more confident now. I am consistent with practice. I am consistent with practice. I am improving my pronunciation. I am improving my pronunciation. I enjoy this learning time. I enjoy this learning time. I speak English one sentence at a time. I speak English one sentence at a time. I stay calm and focused. I stay calm and focused. I am learning a global language. I am learning a global language. I am opening new opportunities. I am opening new opportunities. I am strong and capable. I am strong and capable. I practice with confidence. I practice with confidence. I learn from listening and repeating. I learn from listening and repeating. I feel comfortable speaking English. I feel comfortable speaking English. I am moving forward. I am moving forward. I am doing something good for myself. I am doing something good for myself. I am confident when I speak. I am confident when I speak. I learn better with practice. I learn better with practice. I enjoy improving my English. I enjoy improving my English. I am proud of today's effort. I am proud of today's effort. I stay committed to learning. I stay committed to learning. I am calm and focused now. I am calm and focused now. I speak clearly and slowly. I speak clearly and slowly. I believe in my improvement. I believe in my improvement. I am learning without pressure. I am learning without pressure. I keep practicing every day. I keep practicing every day. I am becoming fluent step by step. I am becoming fluent step by step. I feel motivated to continue. I feel motivated to continue. I speak English with confidence. I speak English with confidence. I am learning something new today. I am learning something new today. I enjoy speaking English aloud. I enjoy speaking English aloud. I am relaxed and confident. I am relaxed and confident. I trust my learning journey. I trust my learning journey. I speak with clarity and ease. I speak with clarity and ease. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. I stay consistent. I stay consistent. I am capable of learning English. I am capable of learning English. I am improving every day. I am improving every day. I enjoy the learning process. I enjoy the learning process. I am focused and confident. I am focused and confident. I speak English without fear. I speak English without fear. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. I keep going. I keep going. I do not give up. I do not give up. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I can speak English confidently. I can speak English confidently. Great job! You just completed day 1 of the 5-day English shadowing challenge. Remember, even 10 minutes a day can change how you speak English. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. You're doing amazing. Your support helps this channel grow and helps more people learn English without pressure. Thank you for being here. Like this video. It helps more learners find it. Share it with a friend who wants to speak English, and comment below where you are learning English from or when you plan to do this challenge. morning, afternoon, or before sleep. Come back tomorrow for day 2.
See you tomorrow.